Hi everyone. So I'm at the welding shop today. We are doing inductions. So we've got 2 apprentices that have started with us this week. So they're going to be working in each department. So they're going to be trained in each area. So we've got one at the welding shop at the moment, and then we've got another one that's at the machine shop in fitting. So I did one induction yesterday, and then I've got another one today. So I've come up to the welding shop. So I'll pan round in a minute, and if I can turn my camera around to let you have a little bit of a look at the welding shop, but it's quite busy in there, so I sort of try and stay on this side of the window. So I've brought my safety boots up. I've actually got some quite nice safety boots that I managed to get that are steel toe caps, but they're actually a little bit of a wedge, so they're not. So they're a little bit more comfortable and a bit more nicer to wear. So I've brought them with me. So I'll be going onto the shop floor as well in a minute just to take a photo of Sam. So he's one of our apprentices that's been with us for over a year. He's been with us in the welding shop. You might have seen the interview that Andy Statham did with him, where he was talking about what he was doing and what he was prepping. And he was talking about a cylinder head that was being prepped, ready for welding. And he was asked if he was going to be welding it. And he sort of said that he wasn't quite ready. Well, today he's actually welding his first cylinder head. So that's really exciting for Sam. So I wanted to take a photo just to keep a track of his progress and have a document of that. So we'll see how he gets on and how he felt his first cylinder head went. So I'm up here. It's quite hot. So I'm not going to hang around too long. So let me just see if I can turn my camera around just to see if you can have a look at the welding shop.